Hello children, welcome to AlphaNumericTricksKids. This is our phonics time. Now we are going to see what is a word, how to read 3-letter CBC words and short A vowel sound words. Let's start. First we will see what is a word. A word is a single letter or a combination of letters that gives a meaning. Examples are I, A are a single letter word, and dog, one, man, mug, etc. are the combination of letters that gives a meaning. Dog, one, and then man, mug, like that. This is a word. Every letter in the English alphabet corresponds to a specific sound. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. By combining these sounds of the individual letters, we can form words that can be read. For example, cat. This is a bun. Now we can combine the sounds like this. Bun. Like that, we can combining the sounds of individual letters, we can form a word that can be read. Now we will see short A sound words. The sound of A is A, like apple. Apple. Sound of A is A. Now this is our words, examples of the words. Rat, rat. Cat, cat. Mat. Jam. Bag. Van. Fan. Tap. Cab. Dad. Like that, combining this individual sounds of letters, we can form a word. Now this is our reading practice. Ab, ad, ag, am, an, app, at, cab, bad, ag, bag, dam, can, app, cap, at, bat, dab, dad, gag, bam, fan, lap, at, cat, gab, fad, ag, nag, j, am, jam, an, man, app, map, at, fat, j, ab, jab, add, had, l, ag, lag, am, ham, p, an, pan, app, nap, at, hat, l, ab, lab, l, add, lad, t, ag, tag, r, am, ram, t, an, tan, r, app, rap, at, mat, ab, nab, p, add, pad, r, ag, rag, y, am, yam, r, an, ran, t, at, tap, r, at, rat, t, ab, tab, s, add, sad, w, ag, wag, w, an, van, y, app, yap, s, ant, sat. These are the practice words. 3-letter series words. Thanks for watching. Subscribe AlphaNumeric Tricks Kids for more worksheets or videos. Thank you.